Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life. And a shout out to my Canadian friends. Happy Canada Day. This is a beautiful Canada Day, so enjoy your day. We have a beautiful country, lots of natural space here. And as somebody from Seattle said to me yesterday, this is the promised land. and they're all hoping to come here. So anyway, this video is all about having trouble concentrating. And if you're having trouble concentrating, you're not alone. You're probably 99% of, mixed in with 99% of the rest of the world. And here's the reason being. When we were growing up in school, we weren't taught how to focus and concentrate, but we were told to focus and concentrate, which doesn't that sound a little bit weird? That, we're told to focus and concentrate, but we're not taught how to do it. So, do as I say, not as I do. And so the problem is that this is something that's been going on for years and years and years, and focusing and concentrating hasn't been something that you know how to do. So if you don't know how to do it, you don't know how to plan, you don't know how to create the life that you want, you don't know how to focus and get things done. And honestly, I know exactly what this is like, and I know what you're going through. It's so challenging just to stay focused, especially with all sorts of different activities going on, things happening. You're reacting to things going on in your world around you. There's personalities that are coming at you all the time. And so if you're not taught how to do that, and you have no clue how to do it, then you're not going to be able to concentrate. And if you can't concentrate, guess what? You're just kind of flailing around in the wind, just hoping that things will work out and things will come your way. And sometimes they do, and you call it luck and serendipity, but oftentimes it doesn't, because it takes being focused. You've probably heard this said, from many different gurus around the world that talk about your alignment. You need to be aligned. Your alignment comes from your thoughts, what you think, what you focus on, what you concentrate on, and what you plan. Because you will plan a vacation, you will plan a trip to another city, you'll print a roadmap or have a roadmap on your phone. You'll have that, but yet your life, you don't have a plan, and you're not focusing, and you're not concentrating. And that's a huge issue. And I'm making it my mission to solve it. So I'm here to help you. And here's the thing. If I look back at my life and my lack of focus, I was going all over the place, just trying different things. Starting a painting business, trying to build a telecom business, and then going into corporate, and then now having written my own books and teaching clients all over the world how to have focus and how to plan and how to achieve the results they want. It's transformational, and it's a lot of fun. So here's the thing. If you need more focus and you want to concentrate, then you have to do some action. You have to take some action. And I'm a big fan of this. I'm a big fan of planning, big fan of really getting your life dialed in, focusing on what you want, and thinking of your life in reverse. So thinking about how you want to end your life, and then working towards making those things happen. And by the way, if you haven't grabbed it yet, I have a plug-and-play productivity planner which will help you get focused, because all you have to do is put in the actions that you're going to take and then take them and check them off each week. And it's a great planner, and especially if you're an entrepreneur or in business, this is for you. You're going to want this planner. I'm including it below. So if you haven't grabbed that yet, go ahead and grab it. I show you what it looks like and exactly how it works. And so you can grab that, use it, and then I support you with some additional information on the system, because it's a complete system how you can plan and get focused and concentrate on your life. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and check it out. I'll help you become a better version of yourself. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.